Good morning, children. Today we are going to do the book back activities of Alice in Wonderland. Take page number 68 along with your pencil and listen to the video. See the first one. Reading is fun. While listening to the story, what did Alice see? So we have learned the story and we know the story. So if you have any doubts in answering those questions, go to the lesson, read the lesson and answer those questions. We will see the answers in our next class. I will read out the questions. If you have any doubt, go to the lesson, read the lesson, understand the lesson and write the answers for those questions. First one, while listening to the story, what did Alice see? What was different about the rabbit that Alice saw? Third one, where did the rabbit go? Fourth one, how did Alice reach Wonderland? Fifth one, what strange things did Alice see? Sixth one, describe in your own words the garden that Alice saw. Seventh one, draw the garden of your dreams. So below that seventh question, they have given you one box. In that box, you have to draw your imagination garden. Whatever you want to sow in your garden, you have to draw that in that box. Draw neatly. If you wish to color it neatly. Next, tick the correct answer. The rabbit had white eyes, big eyes, pink eyes. You have to tick the correct one. In the box, blue box they have given, you have to tick the correct answer. Who was burning with curiosity? Alice, the rabbit, children. Who fell down and down and down? Alice, mouse, the rabbit. Who said, "Oh my ears and whiskers, how late it's getting"? The rabbit, Alice, Alice's sister. The garden Alice saw was big, lovely, small. So for all those 5 questions, you have to tick the correct answer. Next, let's talk. Describe some of the sounds you hear at night. Imagine you are Alice and your partner is a rabbit. What would you do? What do you think Alice saw in the garden? How could Alice have got into the garden? So see the first one. Describe some of the sounds you hear at night. So during night everything will be silent. So we can hear lots and lots of sounds. The buzzing of the bees we can hear clearly and lots of sounds we can hear at night. So sit with your parents and discuss what are the sounds you hear during night. Next, imagine you are Alice and your partner is a rabbit. What would you do? So you have to imagine you are Alice and you have a partner that is a talking rabbit. So what would you do? What you both of them will do? You have to think that and you have to talk that. Next, what do you think Alice saw in the garden? So Alice went deep into the hole and she saw a garden with plenty of beautiful flowers and fountain, but she couldn't get into it as the gate is so small. So what did Alice saw in the garden? You have to write. You have to talk. How could Alice have got into the garden? So how could she entered into the garden? She was following the rabbit. That rabbit went into the hole and she followed the rabbit and she also went deep into the hole. By getting into the hole, she reached the Wonderland. So how did she enter into the garden? You have to talk about that. Next, let's write. Find one word from the story that means. So this is similarly synonyms. To walk fast. The another name for to walk fast, that word start with H. You can write hurry. So you have to go to the lesson. If you have doubt, you can see the lesson and you can write it. Happy. That word should start with D, that is delight. So rest of the words you write it. In the next class we will check that. At once, move fast, to think, to be seen nowhere, to be inquisitive. For all those words you have to find the synonyms and write the word. We will check the answers in our next class. Next, Give another word for the ones given below with similar meanings and make sentences. Make sentences with each of the opposites of these describing words and make sentence with them. So below they have given you 5 words. You have to write the opposite of that word and you have to frame the sentence for that opposite. So here lovely, for that lovely you have to give the opposite word. I hope you know what is opposite, antonym. You have to give the opposite of that and you have to frame the sentence for opposite words. Write neatly, write in pencil. Let us check it in our next class. For lovely, talking, listening, see, center. For all those things you have to give the opposite word and you have to frame the sentence. Next, imagine you are going on a journey to the center of the earth. What do you think you will see? What would you feel? So if you are going to the journey to the center of the earth, what would you see and what would you feel? That you have to write in 3 sentences. Write it. Let us check it in our next class. Next one. Alice follows the strange rabbit because she wants to know a number of things. Rearrange the words to make the questions that Alice has in her mind and put a question mark. See the first one. This is purely the words are jumbled, rearranged. You have to arrange the words and you have to ask the question like Alice has in her mind. See the first one, talk, rabbit, how can. So you can write how can a rabbit talk. At the end you have to give the question mark. Don't forget to give the question mark at the end. Next, going he is where. Read he can time the. D. Harry is in a why he. So for all those one you have to rearrange the words and you have to frame a question. Don't forget to give the question mark at the end. Next one. So that's all. This is your homework. You have